Today we're hosting the Community Cabinet here at Timbara College.
The Prime Minister Julia Gillard and other ministers. They're coming tonight to do a public forum.
It's fantastic for our students who've been quite heavily involved in the preparation for today. They were all hanging out the windows waving to the Prime Minister when she arrived.
And I thought, good chance to be seen and put my point of view across.
That's one of the best reasons why I'm here, is to actually see them out in the field, meeting the real people and hearing what we've got to say.
It's very good for the government to actually mingle with the public, you know, associating with the government, and the government's not too distant, but the government's actually working hand in hand at a local level with the local community.
Womanjiga Wurundjeri Balak Yemen Kundibik, meaning welcome to the traditional land of the Wurundjeri people.
I'm not going to speak very long because this is your opportunity to pose a question or give us a reflection on the future.
At the moment there's a significant issue with teenage suicide, and I just feel there's just not enough support or programs available.
We put a significant investment into mental health of around $200 million nationally, which translated to about $40 million for Victoria.
In February 2011, Casey was flooded, which affected 1,800 homes. Is the government working on responses to emergency situations to be the same response Australia-wide?
In insurance, they have product disclosure statements that you need a PhD to read. So this government's the first one to have changed the Insurance Contracts Act. We've now got one definition of what a flood is. The last thing you need to worry about when your house has been flooded is will your insurance company pay up after you've been paying them premiums for years, and I think we have gone a long way to fixing most of those issues.
What is the federal government's vision for education in the long term?
Our vision for school education is that we are offering the best quality, so our kids are getting a world-class education, but we are offering that best quality to all children. That's what our investments in teacher quality have been about, in disadvantaged schools, our investments in literacy and numeracy. It's why we're putting computers into classrooms. It's why we want a national curriculum that lifts quality around the nation, and we make sure that poorer kids get a great education too.
They're happy now that they're here, and they are doing a real sort of consultation with the community. It's not a window dressing.
I was actually quite surprised by the amount of people that were my age. It's really good to see young people get involved, which is what we need, because youth are the future.